I would probably say the guy that says, yes, yes, yes. I think you want to ask him, is it your money? Are you brokering this loan? Do you understand the guidelines on the company you're brokering the loan to? You don't want to go with anybody that's just giving you the yes, 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 or they have to go check and then get you a price. They should be able to price it right there on the phone. If you got your scenario put together, that lender should be able to go, this is what your expectations are. Rate, cost, processing, underwriting, doc prep, all the fees that go into it. And look, when I talk to borrowers, I take it a step further. What I call down to the dollar, I actually call it the gnat's ass on total costs. So we get down to the gnat's ass on what capital you're gonna have to bring in on that deal. So let's say a borrower says, hey, I'm putting down 20%, buying a $500,000 property. I know I gotta bring in 100 grand. I've got 100 grand. No, sorry, man. You're gonna have to bring in a little bit more than that. So let me take you through it. You've got loan origination fees. Let's just say it's 1.5, 2 points, right? So you got $8,000 in loan origination fees. You gotta pay processing, you gotta pay doc prep, servicing onboarding, credit pull, appraisal, flood cert. These are all these little tiny hidden fees. We love to spell this out for the borrower. And sometimes you get sticker shock. You go, hey, I was bringing in 100 grand and now I got to bring in 115,000 bucks, right? But you have to be transparent. You have to set the expectation as a lender and say, you got all these fees. And then title and escrow is going to charge you money. And then if we close it on February 15th, we've got to charge you prorated interest through the rest of the month. Now, in a scenario like that, your first payment might not be due until April 1st. So we got to collect the interest for that proration of the month. And then you might have insurance, you might have additional fees. We try and get that all the way down so we set that expectation. We lose a few deals because of that, but we're showing everybody exactly how much money they have to have, how much money they got to bring to the table, and then additional capital that they might have to have in reserves. We spell it all out. Anybody talking to a private lender should ask these questions. What's the total cost? What else? What else? Until you get down to the gnat's ass on exactly how much cash you got to bring into this deal.